good piece of bamboo here from the bamboo forest. We've cut off all the branches, and what we're going to do now is, these are called internodes. We're going to cut outside of these internodes so you get a closed area with a channel where we're going to put our feet in. So now we're going to use a chisel to split it. Be careful not to hit your hands. There. And it's going to be all across. So that's one side done. Now we just got to do the other side. So now that we've done both sides, we're going to drill 2 holes in here and here, and we're going to put really small bamboo in here, okay? And then we're going to hang it up on the trees. There we go. I found a really skinny branch of these bamboos, and this looks like it will be good for 2, so we're just going to start sawing. Well, I hope this fits. Oop, it does. Cool. So we're going to hang the strings from here and hang it up. After we've done this side, of course. So you're going to tie a big, long loop, and then you're going to put it like this, with the loop like that. And then you're going to bring it over like that. Then you're going to put it over here and then bring it up. Then we're going to put the footing here. So we don't have any bird feed, so we're going to get that tomorrow. But for now, we're just going to put some bread in, some for me, and some for the birds. Thank you for watching our bamboo bird feeder video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch our other videos. Bye!